Good morning students. I am back with the next exercise 6b of chapter number 6 multiples. In that question number 1 is cancelled from the syllabus, okay? And now we'll start with question number 2. Question number 2 is fill in the blanks using multiple or factor. Means we have to write multiple or factor in this blank, okay? For that question is 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. Let me remind you, 4 and 6 are the factors of 24 and 24 is the multiple of 4 and 6. So now we will fill the blank. 4 is a blank of 24. So what will come here? It is a factor of 24. 24 is a multiple of 4. Okay. 6 is a factor of 24. And 24 is again a multiple of 6. Right? It is a multiple of 6. Means again like this way you can remember 4 and 6 is in question and answer is 24. 4 is question of 24 means factor. 24 is answer of 4 means multiple. 6 is question of 24 means factor. 24 is answer of 6 means multiple. Right? This is a trick to remember, right? Okay, let us move to question number 3 now. Question number 3. Write the first 10 multiples of 3 in blue circle and first 10 multiples of 5 in the white circle. And rewrite the common multiples of 3 and 5 in the light blue part. Okay. So first what we'll do, we'll write first 10 multiples of 3 in this circle. I have not colored it, but this is for 3. Okay. So I am writing here 3. Multiples you have to write means you have to write 3 tables answers. Okay. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Right? These are the first 10 multiples of 3. Now in second circle we have to write first 10 multiples of 5. So I am writing here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Right? Now what we have to do is from this both what is common? Which number is common? Let us find out that which is common over here. See here, 15 is common and 30 is common, right? So that I will write here in between part, 15 and 30. And the remaining things we will write in the other part, okay? Means for the remaining from here, so it will be 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 we don't have to write, 18, 21, 24 and 27. 30 we don't have to write, right? Because already it is written in middle. Same way here we will write 5, 10, 15 don't write, 20, 25, 30 don't write, 35, 40, 45 and 50, right? Like this way you have to write the common factors in common multiples in middle. Common multiples why we have written in middle? Because this part is common of both this circle. So same numbers are written in the middle part. Okay. Now let us move to the question number 4. Ring the numbers that are multiples of 3 and put a square around the multiples of 4 and list the common multiples. Okay. Here we have to ring the multiples of 3 in this. These numbers are given 1 to 36. Okay. So I am doing this circle. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Okay. Now they have told put a square around the multiples of 4. We have to put a square around the multiples of 4. So here I am putting square. 4, 8, 12. Right. Same way 16, 20, 24. Okay. 28, 32, 36. Okay. So now we have to list the common multiples of 3 and 4. So it is very much understood here. Common means both are there. Circle and square both are present on 3 of the numbers. So the common multiples of both are 12, 24 and 36. Right? These are the common multiples of both of them. Clear? Here question number 4 is completed, and now we'll start with question number 5. Question number 5. Use the number line to list the common multiples of. In that 2 are given, and starting with B, that is 2 and 5. What you have to do? You have to use the number line for finding the common multiple of 2 and 5. Let us start with 2 first. Multiples of 2 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. Okay, now next is of 5. Let us see the multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay, so now you have to see where both the lines are meeting. See here, the both lines are meeting on 10. So 10 is first common multiple, and then 20 is the second common multiple. So the common multiple of 2 and 5 is 10 and 20. Clear? Like this way you have to use number line for finding the common multiples. Okay, let us start with question number 6. Question number 6 is find the first 2 common multiples of. Okay, here number A is 5 and 6. Find the first 2 common multiples of. First we have to write multiples of 5. Okay, so I'll start writing 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now wait, you have to stop till tens you write first, then keep some space, and then again write multiples of 6, because we don't know which 2 will come as a common multiple. Okay, if it is a need, we have to continue further also. Okay, now 6, 12, 18, okay, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, okay, then 54 and 60. Let us see if it is coming. Which is the common one here? 30 is common. First common is 30. Okay, so here I am doing 30 both the ways. Now next common it is not coming. So here we have to, here it is still 60, here it is still 50. So we will continue with 55 table, that is 55 and 60. So 60 is coming as a common multiple. So what we will do? Here 60 will circle it. This is the common. So first 2 common multiples are this. There is once again a trick. How much we have to carry forward? You have to just find the first common multiple first. Here we have got 30 as first common multiple. So now count the numbers from here, from the starting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after 5 numbers, again the 6th number will be the common multiple. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? So like this way you can, there is a trick till how much you have to write. Okay. Now last you will write here that the common multiples of 5 and 6 are 30 and 60. Common multiples of 5 and 6 are 30 and 60. Right? Same method, we will continue with F number. First we will write multiples of 10. 10, 20, 30. See, I know, so I am not continuing further, but I am keeping some space in between. Now, multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. Now I know that I have got my common multiples. They are 10 and 20. This is 10 and 20, right? And so at last I will write here downside that common multiples of 10 and 5 are 10 and 20. Right? This is the way how you have to do the sum for finding first 2 common multiples of. Okay, let us start with the question number 7. Question number 7 is state whether the given statements are true or false. Okay, 30 is a multiple of 5. Again, you have to remember the trick I told you. Whenever multiple is there, means in mind keep answer. 30 is a answer of 5. Okay, so 5 is question and 30 is answer. It is correct. So here you will write true. Right. Next is 18 is a multiple of 8. 18 is a multiple of 8. See friends, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16. Right? So it is not coming only in table, so false. Not factor, not multiple. Okay? 7 is a multiple of 21. Again, once again, in your mind, 7 is the answer of 21's table. No, it is false. Okay? It is not answer, it is question. 30 is common multiple of 5 and 6. 30 is common multiple of 5 and 6. See, here it is already done. Yes, it is true. So we'll write here true. Right? So our true and false question 7 is also completed. Okay? And here we are ending with our exercise 6b, and after this chapter checkup is there. You all know that chapter checkup you have to do by your own. Already writing part I have sent to you. Practice it properly. If you don't understand, you can ask me by doing WhatsApp message. Okay? So here we are ending with chapter number 6 also. One thing I want to tell you friends, that we have in evaluation 2 we have completed chapter number 4, that is division, chapter number 5, that is factors, chapter number 6, that is multiples. Still 2 more chapters are remaining for evaluation 2. Let us see how much we can complete it. I think I have taken 2 more chapters. In that, one whole chapter is there, my next chapter, and the another chapter I am going to take only half. Okay, for the exams. That I will give you the syllabus. I will give you later on. But next week I will take 2 tests of yours. Okay, in Google form I will continue 2 tests. One will be for chapter number 4 division, and second will be the combined test of factors and multiples together. Okay, dates will be told to you very soon, but be prepared with that. Okay, till then, goodbye everyone.